Welcome to Seacoast Real Estate Academy. Today in our Laws and Rules series, we will discuss some common issues that are not a material fact and does not need to be automatically disclosed in North Carolina. Death and serious injury is not a material fact. Agents do not need to voluntarily disclose any prior death or serious injury. If asked, an agent may decline to answer or respond honestly. If an agent is asked if the previous owner or occupant had AIDS, the agent is prohibited by fair housing laws from answering, as persons with AIDS are considered handicapped. Also, convicted sex offending occupying, occupied, or residing nearby is not considered a material fact. Agents are not required to volunteer to a prospective buyer or tenant any information about registered sex offenders. If asked, agents only need to answer to the best of their knowledge, but agents may want to share this information with their buyer if they know this information will be to their buyer's benefit. Any agent has the option of advising the use of the statewide sex offender registration online at the website on screen. If you like this video, feel free to share it with a friend. For more real estate education content, please subscribe to the channel. From all of us at Seacoast Real Estate Academy, thank you for watching.